Today I will show you how to make insane shake effects. So to actually make these shake effects, it does take a lot of work, but however, I have created a super easy workflow for this, for which I use my impact presets pack, which includes over 25 of these shake effects that you can literally take and drag and drop into After Effects, and you'll have the shakes instantly. I'll have the impact presets pack linked in the description, and now let's jump into After Effects and I'll show you how to use them. Alright guys, so in After Effects, I already have all of my clips that I want to edit, and all you need to do is just press Ctrl Y to make a new adjustment layer, and on this adjustment layer you need to go to animation presets, user presets, and once you have installed the impact presets pack, it will pop up right here. So you just click on it, and here you can choose any of these effects. So one of the best effects from this whole pack is Shake Chaos Impact, so let's just drag and drop it, and this is how Shake Chaos Impact looks. That is an absolutely insane shake effect, and I just absolutely love how quickly you can just add these. But one of the craziest things with this pack is combining these effects to make really viral effects. So I'll show you what I mean by that. You can go on top of this adjustment layer and press Ctrl Y, bring the adjustment layer right here, and add something like 3 frame glitch, and make sure this adjustment layer is 3 frames long. So press Ctrl Shift D, delete. And this is how it looks now. That absolutely looks insane. I've gotten a lot of compliments on Instagram by using just this combination right here, so I definitely recommend to use this combination a lot. And the best part of the 3 frame glitch is you can add it in so many different places. Like you can press Ctrl D to duplicate it and add it right before the next transition. So right before we go to this clip, and on our second clip we can press Ctrl Y and add another shake effect or a distortion effect. So for example, the flash shake, and this is what we get with the flash shake, and that actually looks like an absolutely insane transition. All right, now on the next clip, again, make a new adjustment layer, and here I really want to show you the insane chroma distortion. It's like a shake effect and a chroma effect at the same time. As you can see, that's going to add a huge distortion, and it's going to shake a little bit as well. I mean, these style effects are incredibly popular in music video editing, so if you're a music video editor, this is exactly the effect you should be using. But we can combine it again with different effects. So like you can go below the insane chroma distortion and press Ctrl Y and bring the adjustment layer right here, and I like to add the puddle impact below the insane chroma distortion, and this is how the combination looks. That is insane, like a shockwave or a puddle. I also have shockwave effects in this, so you could classify it as a shockwave, but it just looks insane. Alright, and after this clip we have this clip, but with these shake effects we can also add transitions. So what I mean by that is we can press Ctrl Y, and in between these two clips I'm going to add a warp transition. So let's drag and drop it. So the warp transition combines shake effects with a warp, and this is how it looks. That looks super good. I mean, super quickly added, but this would actually take such a long time to make manually without just dragging and dropping these effects. Alright, and now we can go to the last clip right here, and on top of it we can press Ctrl Y, and here I'm just going to add the classical flash shake effect, but I will also combine it, pressing Ctrl Y, with a distortion impact. Now the key with this combination is to place the flash shake 1 frame before, so actually before the clip starts, and the distortion impact we need to place 2 frames forward. And this is how it looks now. Absolutely incredible. I just absolutely love this combination. And this is how our whole edit looks like. That is insane how quickly we were able to make this just by dragging and dropping these effects. So I definitely recommend to mess around a lot of these presets in your projects because they save me a bunch of time. So as you guys saw, these are literally the craziest shake effects you can possibly have in After Effects, and they are super easy to use. So if you actually want to level up your edits and your workflow, then I'll definitely recommend to check out the Impact Presets pack, and I'll also leave an exclusive $7 discount code for the Impact Presets pack, which is code IMPACT7. So if you use code IMPACT7 at the checkout, you will save $7 off of the Impact Presets pack. And I'll have the Impact Presets pack linked in the description.